Hey everyone, check out the TIG Welding Torch WP17V4M, a powerful and reliable tool for your welding needs. This torch features a 13-foot gas-cooled design that ensures efficient cooling during extended use. It offers a duty cycle of 35% at 140 amps DC and 35% at 125 amps AC for consistent performance. The quick connector supports 10, 25, and 2 cables, and it works with electrode sizes from 0.5 to 2.4 millimeters. Equipped with a European plug, this torch includes a lift TIG lift arc function for smooth arc starts. Its lightweight design, at just 1.8 kilograms, makes it easy to handle during welding projects. Perfect for use with HITBOX MIG200, MIG250, MIG120, and MT2000 machines. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.